Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install MySQL on your computer. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, open any one browser. In the search bar, type MySQL. Open the first link, which is www.mysql.com. Now click on the Downloads tab. Scroll down and then click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Now click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Now this is the page from where you can download the latest version of MySQL, that is 8.0.34. I will be giving you the link of this page in the description below. If you face any problem, then you can click on the link and it will redirect you to this page. Now scroll down and as you can see, the version is selected, that is 8.0.34, and the operating system is also selected, that is Microsoft Windows. And below that there are two links given. One is the 2.4 MB file and another is 331.3 MB file. There it is written as Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer. Here it is written as 32-bit, but don't worry, it will also work on 64-bit PCs. Now we have to download the installer. Now click on the download button of the second link. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. Now as you can see, the MySQL installer is downloading. It is a 331 MB file, so let's wait till it gets completed. The next step is to install it. So to install it, right click on the file and click on install. Now it will ask you, do you want to run this file? Click on run. Now it is preparing to install. It will ask you a permission, click on yes. Once again it will ask you a permission, click on yes. Now the MySQL installer will be displayed on the screen. There are many options. I will be using the custom option because I want to manually select the products that I want to install on the system. So click on custom and then next. I am going to select the products that I want to install. Click on the plus button near the MySQL servers. Once again click on the plus icon. Then once again click on the plus icon where it is written MySQL Server 8.0. Now select MySQL Server 8.0.34 x 64 and then click on the right arrow to drag it to the second box. Now we have selected the product which we want to install. So click on next. Now the MySQL Server 8.0.34 is ready to install. Click on execute. Now it has started the installation process. As you can see, the installation is completed and now click on next. Once we have installed the MySQL software, it needs to be configured. So now the process of configuration is going to start. Click on next. Now here don't change any of the settings and click on next. Now there are two options. Click on the first option because we will keep our MySQL server secure with the help of a password. Now select the first option and then click on next. Now we are going to set a root password. Now for setting the root password, you can use any alphabets or any numbers, or else you can even use your own name. Now in repeat password, type the same password which you entered above. Once you have set the password, click on next. Don't change any of the options and click on next. Click on next. Now apply the configuration by clicking on the execute button. Let's wait till it completes the configuration process. The configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.34 was successful. Click Finish to continue. Click on Next and then Finish. Now we have successfully installed the MySQL Server. Now let's run MySQL Server. Click on Start. Type MySQL. Here you can see MySQL 8.0 command line client. Now enter the password which you have created during the configuration. After entering the password, tap Enter. Here you can see the current version of MySQL, that is 8.0.34. Now let's check the databases using the show database command. Now let's create a new database named Office. So type create database Office. Now let's check whether the new database is created. As you can see, the database is created, that is Office. Now I am going to close MySQL by typing exit. That's all in today's video. I hope this video was useful. In this channel, I have already uploaded a video on Introduction to MySQL. So if you have not yet watched it, link is in the description, you can go and watch it. In the upcoming videos, I'll be teaching you how to use MySQL. If you are new to this channel, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll meet you in the next video.